We were able to do silk screening as well as offset printing as well as digital printing. This is a silk screen job that we've done. This is a label that has a safety overlay. Once the label has been filled out, then we can pull an overlay on top of it which covers up the data that they will put onto the label and keep it from being altered. As we move through here, we have a notepad. This is done. It's done on a 20-pound, and we have done numerous copies of this. It's put together with a glue at the top, which is called padding, and a chipboard at the back. I'm sure you've seen these around. As we move forward, we have a smaller one. This is 4 up, and we end up cutting it into 3 sections, which will yield 4 pads out at 100 sheets per pad. This is how a business card would look before you get it in a box. This is 10 up. We cut it to 2 by 3.5, and we'll do a crash course on the cutter. So as we cut your card down, it ends up being 2 by 3.5. So eventually we'll cut it here, 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 and here, and a final cut here, and then we'll take your dimension off at 3.5, and your final size will be 2 by 3. As we move through the shop, we'll check out our vinyl area. Looks like Tim's working on a project over here. We're just doing some alterations to a banner that we'll show you in the other office what we're doing with that. So right now Tim is what's called as weeding the vinyl. So we do all of this in-house as well. So we create banners, signs, you name it. Anything. We even apply vinyl to automobiles. So that's what Timothy is doing at this time. Then we move on to our digital end of things. We kind of showed you when you walked in the door that we were doing a project. That was the guts for part of this book. There are numerous parts to this book. This is color that we've added to it. So when you're done with this project, it has a back, it is GBC with a comb bind, and it has a clear cover on the front.